Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back in the bathroom because we are doing our hair again today. What's new? Me not having a braid down, so I am putting on this wig cap so that my hair is out the way for the wig that I am about to put on, which is from Isee Hair today. So I'm just going to show you guys the packaging because their packaging is so cute. It's pink, it's girly. What more can you ask for? You get a bonnet and a bunch of goodies. Here I am showing you a construction of their new M cap, and it's cut around the ears, so y'all don't have to cut the lace around your ears anymore. It's done for you. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. The lace is bleached, the knots are bleached, it's pre-cut, it's pre everything, which is why it is a wear and go wig. So here I am with the wig. I'm showing you what the inside of the cap looks like and the lace. So it comes with a adjustable strap. They help a whole lot. They make the wig super snatched to your head, so that makes this wig glueless. Of course, you can add glue if you needed to, but y'all know I don't really mess with glue. All I'm doing here is adding some foundation powder to the lace so that it'll blend in with my skin when I put my wig on. And I'm just showing you guys how I put my wig on. I hold my wig cap, I hold my hair, and then I pull the wig on. So this is what it looks like when it's on, and that's it. There's really not much to do but style the hair if that's what you wanted to do. um but yeah, you put it on and go. It looks so good. It fits nice and snug. I'm just attaching the combs in the back. There are also combs in the front, but I don't attach those unless my hair is actually braided down, because I find that the combs will get kind of snagged into my just loose hair that's under there. But I'm just brushing the hair out. This wig is 24 inches long. I'm not 100% sure on the density, but I'll be sure to list that down below. It is a nice density, so whatever it is natural. As for the lace, it's nice and thin. The knots are super tiny. You can barely see them. And here I just backed up a bit so you can see the actual length on me. It falls at a really nice length. Again, this is 24 inches long.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him.
And I've been curling hair so much, I am just really loving the straightness of this hair. So I'm just going in with my straightening brush. I think that's what this is, just to kind of straighten the hair a little bit more. Love the texture of this hair, so I think it's cute just how it is. So me not doing anything to this hair is the literal definition of wear and go. And here I'm just showing you the new M cap. So they basically just sent a mock-up of what is on my head, and as you can see, the parting space is huge. This is a 9x6, and it comes with removable combs, so you can remove the combs if you don't need them. I already showed you in the beginning of the video that it's cut around the ears, and look how flat it is. So since the parting space is so big, you can have a middle part, you can have a deep side part, which is what I'm about to show you right now. Show you how versatile this unit is by switching my middle part to a side part.
Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it.
And since this is straight hair, instead of like straightening it so the part will stay, I'm just going in with some water. I feel like this works so good because it actually makes the wig flat, and it also straightens out the hair so you can maneuver it and manipulate it into any direction that you want. And this hair is pretty easy to comb over, and just it just does what it's supposed to do.
That if I was basic, would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her mom what she want. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just do without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break
And I'm just gonna take a little bit of edge out because we want this to look cute and playful and not so serious. We're totally unserious when it comes to our hair, so we just do whatever we want. So that's what we want to do. So I am combing some of my natural edges out. So this is none of the wig. This is all me. It's all me. So yeah, these are the finishing touches. I would go in and add some layers, but since I'm not sure exactly how I want to style this hair, I'm going to hold off and just do the ear tuck for now. But this is the wig and the finishing touches on it. I'm just adding a little more water to smooth it out. But I will list all of Isee's hair information in the description box for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this really cute, informative video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.